YouTube channel. My name is Janita, and in this video I'm gonna be answering some questions and doing my makeup. So yep, and it's been like a minute since I filmed YouTube videos, so like bear with me. And like I don't have like a ring light yet, so I'm just using natural lighting, so the sun is really beaming in up on my face and I can't exactly see where the camera is at, but like that's that. So yeah, I got my hair in this cute little sleek back. It's cute or whatever. Okay. First, I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows, and I just take this spoolie and I just brush. I'm gonna take a pencil and I'm gonna like go under and then just fill in the eyebrow. Y'all go see. Okay, so basically what had happened was I answered like a total of 5, 6, 7 questions. So throughout the video, I'm gonna be explaining like how I'm doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna pop in on the voiceover and answer the questions. So the basics, my name is pronounced Janita. I'm 19 years young. I was born on October 19th, 2000. I was born in Illinois. I graduated high school last year, and I currently go to college right now. All my classes are online, and my major is healthcare administration. And so I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna put it on my hand, and then I am going, where's my brush? I'm gonna take this brush, I'm gonna do this, and this is to carve out my eyebrows, because you see how they looking all crazy or whatever. We gotta fix that. One of the questions I got is, what show am I currently watching? And the show that I'm currently watching is America's Next Top Model. Like I literally just finished all 22 seasons, and now I'm watching Australia's Next Top Model, and they only have 6 seasons, and yeah, I'm on season 6 right now. The next question is, what is my biggest accomplishment? And I'm really young right now, so I would have to say that my biggest accomplishment is graduating high school. And next, I don't know if I, oh yeah, okay, at first I was like, I don't know if I want this to be like a get ready with me drugstore makeup edition, but no, this is just gonna be a get ready with me for college and period, because all the products I'm using are not drugstore products. I mean, most of them are, but not all of them. So next I'm gonna take this, it's just like a different concealer with a wand basically, and this isn't mine, this is my mom's, because this is like mad like super duper light. And I'm about to highlight here. I don't need to put none on my forehead because I already got that other concealer up there that's really light. So getting accepted into college, because like wow. The next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? And in 5 years I will hopefully have graduated college and be 1 year into my career. So I'm gonna have me a nice little apartment, I'm gonna have me a pet teacup Yorkie. Okay, so this is what I look like, looking a little crazy and period. I low-key don't know what I'm doing, and I feel like this concealer is way too light, so I'm about to take these foundation and I'm gonna put it like over the concealer. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's what I'm about to do. This is the drugstore foundation, but I usually use this bitty, but she mad empty. Like she is empty. Like she is empty. This is, what color is this? I don't even know what color this is. This one is $4.40 because I did the little thing at Sephora and it was like, you are $4.40. Yeah, so that's the one I got. Shake. Okay, we're back. The camera angle might be slightly different, but that's because she said she heard a noise at the door, and I'm like, what is going on? Who's at the door? Let's go check it out. There was nobody, but like, hopefully I'm living my best life and making big coins. So that's where I hope to be in 5 years. That's where I see myself in 5 years. Okay, so next I'm gonna be taking this setting powder, and I'm just about to put it all over my face because I naturally have an oily skin. I can't do it only in the places I highlight. I gotta put this junk on everywhere. The next question is, do you think past you would be impressed with future you? And we gotta think about these. Am I impressed with myself, or with would me from the past be impressed with myself? And I'm gonna let this bake my face, for however long, until I feel like it's enough. But while it's just baking on my face, I'm putting my eyelashes on, and I got my eyelashes right there. So, and I don't use normal eyelash glue. This is the glue I use, which is like hair glue, and it works perfect. Like, you put your eyelashes on and you use some of this glue, they are not coming off for the rest of the day. You about to struggle to get them off, period. I think past me would be impressed with myself. Like, I think I'm doing pretty well in life this far. The only thing I think that my past self would be a little disappointed about is like the fact that we can't drive that well. Like, we can drive, but we're gonna have a panic attack while we're driving. The next question is, what is my favorite color? And my favorite color is pink. I literally love that color. Okay, transition. Okay, my eyelashes are on, but like, I'm not that great at putting them on, so sometimes when I put them on, I be having like glue on my lower lash line. Okay, we gotta move a little faster because the sun is setting. Baby, no. How tall am I? I'm 5 foot and 5 inches, so pretty average. Then we're gonna use these. There we go. Anastasia Glow Kits Sun Dipped. And the color I'm gonna be using is bronzed. Bronzed in summer are my favorite, if you were wondering. Oh my goodness, I completely stopped like answering questions throughout the video. Ooh, my bad. Do I have any siblings? Yes, I have one, and she might be in some videos. Oh, there we go, honey. Let's get dressed. I don't have my nails did, and that's because like I was obviously tight to like, let's go get our nails done. Let's go get our nails, girl. Nails done, girl. Wanna go get your nails done? Yeah, can we hang out? Yeah, let's go get our nails done. Nails. And the color I always got was pink too. And I always got like box braids. I always got them boxed shape, like square the shape. And I always got them like short, medium, yeah, like that. But I'm in college now, and I'm going into the medical field, so like you can't really have long boxy nails when you is in the medical field. So I just do. And my classes are online, so like, and like when I'm doing, and like all of my classwork and assignments and projects are done with the computer. And I'm like, I cannot type with long nails, because like I used to be a cashier at Walmart, and even when I was pushing in the little numbers or whatever on the little keypads, I would be struggling sometimes. Like, my nail would be going through the thing, not hitting the thing, and I'm just like, baby, we gotta get these chopped off, and that's on period. So enough of me talking. Let me go ahead and change so y'all can see my cute little feet in pink. So that was it for this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about me.